Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at how to edit and create images using Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll split this video into three parts. The first part will be to extract and modify the image. The second part will be to combine basic shapes to create a special shapes that you want. And for part 3, we'll go into character creation, where you can create your own cartoon characters using PowerPoint. If you can see here in the screen, I have two images here that I want to edit. I would like to take this durian and remove the background and use it for something else. So what I do is I go to format, remove background, I enlarge the whole thing, and then let's say if I want this heart shape, I'll just mark this area to keep and select this. Alright, so I'll click changes, then I have a durian without the background. So let's say I want to change the color of the sky a little bit. Just let me copy and paste this. So I want to remove the sky, so I do the same thing, remove background, select everything. Now I want to keep this area as well, here, and then I want to remove the skyline. If you think this is okay, then we can keep changes. So you have two different images. Alright, so with this we can also take a look at how we can do this. Yeah, you can put durian here, and then you have durian in the background. Alright, so this picture is actually taken in MacRitchie Reservoir in Singapore. So let's just give it a title. So I'll just call it MacRitchie Reservoir. I'll get a nice font for it. Let's get it impact and bold. I just want to create a title here with a nice background. So what I'm going to do now is to remove MacRitchie Reservoir from the image. So I have a cutout of the word. So I'm just going to select the image that I want, select the letters, go to drawing tools, merge shape, and subtract. Then I have the empty image. So let me just give you a quick look, and you have it empty. Alright, so back to it just now, we have durian over here and cover. Okay, so this is how you extract and cut an image. So for the next image, I have this Singapore view from Gardens by the Bay East. So I want to create a very nice Singapore logo. So Singapore, select everything in bold and impact again. I like that font. Make sure it fills up the whole place, make it very tight. Yeah. So I want the background to appear in the Singapore word itself. So just select the image, select the words, format, and intersect. So you have a very nice Singapore letters. Now I'm going to show you how we can use shapes to create the images that we want, and then next we'll go into character creation. Alright, so let's say I want to create a cloud. So all I have to do is just have multiple circles, just duplicate as many as I want, just reduce the shape, just copy this and if I select everything, select union, then I have a clock shape. So let's say if I want to have a light bulb, alright, I'll just create a circle and insert a, let's just do a fish shape, flip it around, and I'll try to combine it the best I can. Select these two and union. So it's not perfect because there's corner there, so just right click, edit points, and delete the points that you do not want. You have a very nice shape, and then you'll get a square here. And then a contact point for the light bulb. So to make sure that this is aligned with this in the middle, we can go to align and align center. Then let's just make this a little bit higher with the arrow key, a bit round as well. My shape and union. Okay. Then we can combine this or union. That's a weird light bulb shape, I know, but this is how it looks. This is just an example. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's say I want to create a window and just have 4 panes here. Just copy and paste. Select the first one. Select these 4. Shape and subtract. Then I have a nice window to view my light bulb in. Let's say if I want to have a 1/4 of a circle, you can just create this circle, create a square, and select the both of them and intersect. I have this over here. Okay, so if I want to have a fragment of these two, so it will be, let's select these two and fragment. Then you can select each fragment out this way.